Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. My name is Cheryl and I love decorating my home with style on a budget. And in today's video, come with me as I decorate my daughter's new house. Today we are going to be putting together a new couch for my daughter, and this video is sponsored by Linsy Home. So let's open it up and see what we have, shall we? Hey friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. My name is Cheryl. I love decorating my home with style on a budget, and I love to try to make it look a lot more expensive than it really is. One of the ways I do that is by budget shopping, budget decorating. I love to thrift. I love to upcycle. Any way that I can make my home look more expensive on a budget, that is what your girl does here. So if you love saving money, but you love decorating your home with style on a budget, then this is the channel for you. So if by the end of the video you like what you have seen, I would hope you would hit the subscribe button, tap that notification bell, and become a member of the iStylEMYSTYLE family. So guys, in the last video, I took you along with me as we were shopping for new home decor for my daughter's new house. You know, she's young, she's on a budget, she needs to save all the money she can. So I want to help her decorate her home. And one of the ways I am going to do that is by thrifting the items that she needs for her home, and also using items that we already have. All right, so I want to help my daughter decorate her home, and I want to do it in the most budget-friendly way possible. One of the ways I'm going to do that is by thrifting for the items that she needs, shopping for items that she needs on clearance, and using items that we already have. And on that note, I want to thank today's video sponsor, who is Linsy Home. So Linsy Home reached out to me and asked me if I would like to review one of their sleeper sofas. And I thought this would be perfect for my daughter. If she has guests over, she could use it, turn it into a sofa bed when her father comes over to visit. Perfect. I said, yes, Linsy Home, I would love to review your sleeper sofa. So guys, we got the sleeper sofa, and let me show you how it looks. Today we are going to be putting together a new couch for my daughter, and this video is sponsored by Linsy Home. So let's open it up and see what we have, shall we? So this is how it comes packaged in the box, all nice and neat. So now we'll take it out. Here are all the pieces of the sofa. I think this is the back. These are the two arms. This is the fold-up bed part. Cushions. More cushions. All right, it comes with this little instruction book. And this is the hardware. Screwdriver, all the pieces, and it looks fairly easy to assemble. I am not a handy person, so wish me luck.
A big risk. Almost got.
Here are all our screws and the legs. So we have the couch together here. Now we're on to step 2, putting in the brackets. All right, I will say this little tool is very handy because normally when you get these types of screws, it's just like a little half metal piece that hurts your fingers, but this makes it very easy to screw in. So I really love that. All right, so we have the bed frame mattress installed. This is how it looks. The bed pulls out by this little handle. We're gonna put on the end frame of the bed and then we'll be finished. So we just have to add the little part here at the bottom. All right, the sofa bed is now fully assembled. This is how it looks pulled out. Not bad at all. So now we'll add the cushions, and it has USB lights. So it lights up on the bottom. But yeah, this is how the sofa bed looks. All right, this is how the sofa looks, fully assembled, and it is a nice little sofa bed. These pillows, I'm not sure if they're supposed to go on the side or if they're supposed to go in the front like this. I think I'm just gonna set them to the side. They have a little cup rest on either side. You have a USB charging port so you can charge up your phone. And it has the LED light strip at the bottom. You can change the colors to whatever color you like. So yeah, this is the sofa. What do you think, buddy? You like it?
Thumbs up.
Is that a thumbs up for you? Yeah? Great. So I would like to thank Linsy Home for sponsoring this portion of today's video. Now we're going to go out and shop for other accessories. First stop will be probably Hobby Lobby, maybe some Goodwills or thrift stores or Bargain Mart to see what else we can find. But yeah, thank you Linsy Home for sponsoring the video. Guys, so wasn't that an awesome gift from Linsy Home? My daughter and my little grandson absolutely love their new sofa bed, and with it being Prime Day, Linsy Home is offering $100 off today only for Amazon Prime. So click the link down below in the description box and go pick up a new Linsy Home sofa bed for yourselves. So guys, now that we have a new sofa bed, she needs some other accessories in her home. She needs everything. She doesn't really have anything. So now we need to go out and find some other things to decorate her new home. I want to go, as I said, to the thrift store, maybe Hobby Lobby. We went to Walmart. We went to the Dollar General. They had some really, really nice things. Now, I told you in my previous video that my daughter, she likes farmhouse, and I'm trying to move her more into organic modern, and she likes a more stable or a more, I won't say bland, neutral color palette. She likes her browns and her creams. And I know you're thinking, Sheryl, she has a gray sofa. How are you going to use browns and creams with a gray sofa? Well, I got you covered. So I am going to show you how we are going to take this gray sofa and turn it into something spectacular. So we're gonna go shopping, and I don't know that we're gonna find everything today, so there is going to be a part 2 to this video. So if you have enjoyed today's content so far and you want to see how my daughter's living room is going to turn out, make sure you subscribe. With that, I'm going to leave you with our little shopping trip to, I think, Goodwill, and I'll see you in the next one, and I'll show you what I picked up and how we're going to style and decorate it in my daughter's home. Looking for big canvases, I would always check Goodwill, and you can pick these up relatively inexpensive to do a DIY on. This one looks to be pretty nice. I don't see the price on it though. Here it is, $10. So this would be perfect to do a DIY on.